Okay, I want you to notice that I dressed up for you today because we're having a fancy dip. We're making a lot of dips for the holidays.
It's dip week.
It's dip week at the Bergs, and I wore my very special pearled apron because this is an amazing spinach artichoke dip. This is hands down one of the favorites of any party you're going to go to, and if you serve it, it'll be gone in a heartbeat. Actually, it's 2 steps at the stove, but it's really pretty simple to make. You just throw everything in and then pop it in the oven. Now, you want to serve it with vegetables, of course, not breads. Oh, yeah.
Parmesan cheese.
That's what I'm talking about.
Spinach.
It's fancy, but it's simple. Yeah. So you should learn how to make it.
Let's show you how.
Okay.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below.
check it out.